Well, guys, we did it. The shipper is completely full of Mustangs. I mean, some of them are extras. You can see we have the Matchbox here. We have the premiums, even the Chase sitting there, some long cards with short cards. Down to our latest find, which is the white dark horse along with the 2018. So this shipper's done. There are no chances of getting extras and throwing them in here anymore. So this is packed. I don't know what else I'm going to do with some future finds, but it is what it is. And of course, as always, welcome back to the channel, guys. Hopefully you all are having a great week. I don't know when this is getting posted, but of course, after the crazy haul from California, and hopefully you guys enjoyed that one. I think you're going to enjoy this one as well, because it is that time yet again. We have a mail call. Now, this is a trade between me and Steve over at Simple Man Mustang Diecast. Cannot wait to open it up because we got some goodies in here that I haven't seen before. Well, at least one of them. And there's only one way to find out, and it's to see what's inside. Alright guys, we got it open, and I am pretty stoked about this trade, guys. There's a cool piece in here that I had not seen before. And of course, my man came in with the goods. So here we go. Jason, thank you so much for the trade. Always enjoy watching your videos. Keep up the great work. Enjoy, brother. Steve, SMD, and of course, be careful. The lids on the customs don't fit very tight. Definitely thank you so much for the heads up on that one, because I would hate for anything to happen on those customs. So here we go. We got some mystery bags right here. Ooh, this is the new one. This one's got the Corvette, the Roadster, and I don't know what that one is. But let's see. What do we have here? Number 4. Don't know what number 4 is. Oh, we got the Bone Shaker sitting there. You got the Boulevard Bruiser, I think that one is. I don't know, maybe, I think it's 1, 2, 3. Could be the Bone Shaker, I don't know. Ooh, number 2. Uh-oh. Is it the Vet? I think so. Let's go ahead and open these up. We'll go ahead and start out with number 4 and see what's in this bag. Oh, it is the Bone Shaker. Heck yeah, dude. Check that out. Dang, that's actually a pretty nice release right here for the mystery model. You got the little skull and bones, or it's literally just the hands. Bone Shaker, you got the red base. Oh, I'm digging that two-tone interior. Dude, it's been a while since I've seen a good Bone Shaker, or even collected the Bone Shaker. But yeah, this is a super clean one. I love how the red pops through the black wheels. Oh, dude, that's actually a pretty nice release. Yep, number 4 right there on the hood. And of course, we got the sticker right here. So nice. All right, let's see what is in number 2. All right, here we go. Oh, it is the Corvette. Check that out. That is actually pretty crazy looking. It's all tattered and torn and just beat up. Got a nice pristine side in metallic blue, but then you come here and it is road rashed. That is actually pretty freaking sweet, dude. Look at that. You got one black lens up here. You got the worn and tattered on one side. You even got full detail on the rear. Dude, that is sweet. Holy crap. This is definitely going in the Corvette jammer. Yeah, that is awesome. Love the blue on that. There we go. I haven't been keeping up with mystery models in quite some time since I've been refocused on Mustangs, but those are sweet. Thanks, dude. All right, here we go. Part of the trade. Oh, man. This right here is just way too cool. Oh, hold on. I might have to go with these. All right, so part of the deal was some customs, guys, and oh my gosh, dude. I am beyond stoked to get these in the collection, because you guys already know where my stance is on customs. I think they're better than anything you can get. And oh, here we go. What's this? I wasn't sure if you had this card variation, so I tossed it in. My dude. Nice. I think I just showcased that to you guys, and it is sitting right here along with that one. So yes, this is, I think, out of the same release or 2 different years. I think this was 22 and this one's 23, or vice versa. One of them. But here we go. We have another one. Nice. Heck yeah, dude. Thank you so much for this extra. I might open one up. And, well, I don't know. I actually dig the wheels on this one. Maybe I will just detail it up, add some taillights and headlight details. But again, thank you so much for an extra. And check this out, guys. This thing is so cool. All right, check this out. When he threw this as an offer, I was like, oh, dude, never seen this before. It is a wireless car speaker. And of course, the 68 fastback. This is so cool. Or 67, actually. Yeah, 67. This is so freaking cool. Hold on. We gotta open this. Yeah, he had sent the sound clip of it, of him turning it on. This was like, oh, dude, I need that. All right, so we have push and hold this button for a couple seconds to turn on, and same one to turn off. Oh, dude, that is so freaking sweet. All right, so you got the aux cord. This is so cool. Hold on. All right, let's hear this bad boy. This thing sounded so cool when he sent the video.
Bluetooth mode.
Oh, dude, that is so freaking cool, man. Dude, this is sweet. Man, that is awesome. Love the sound effects. It does actually roll. But, oh, dude, definitely going to be using that. I might bring this to work. I don't know. But when I'm doing my collection stuff or reorganizing, I am totally using that for music. Oh, man. All right, here we go. Turn it off. Got the alarm chirps. Nice. Oh, dude, and this thing came in like a few different colors. You got red, black, it looks like, white, dark blue, and light blue. No, I'm not going to try to find them all. I think this was one and done. It's super cool. Of course, if I saw another one, I'd pick it up, but I never even knew something like this existed. And of course, you guys are like the experts out there that have so many different types of things that I had never seen before, but this is a super cool addition to the stable. So thank you so much for this trade, man. This is sweet. Definitely a good one. You got to let me know where you found this. Look at that one-hand package, man. Boom, there we go. All right, so super cool 67 right here, but these customs, guys, this right here is where it's at. I was actually super stoked that he was willing to trade both, and you guys will see why. Oh my God, dude. God, these are so sick. This 65 2+2 has the Punisher deco, and this is an insane custom. Holy crap. Look at that, guys. Talk about beautiful. Jeez Louise. God, it's just blood red. God, and you got the cherry taillights on there. I love how they were able to get them to still pop on that red. You can see them really clear right there. They do kind of blend in here because of how that color just reflects so nicely. Dude, thank you so much for trading this one, man. Hold on, I want to take this tape off real quick. All right, so here on the bottom, I want to do this over. You can see Shop 164 Hot Wheels Display Customs. I don't know if this is where he got the custom from or just the case, but man, that is a beauty. Holy crap, man. Definitely a favorite. Of course, you guys know I love the 65 2+2. Hands down, my favorite Mustang release from Hot Wheels as far as tooling goes. And I have some beautiful customs, and I love that it fits into the theme of Ruby's color Yeah, that thing is awesome. So that is custom number 1. Custom number 2 is right here, and it looks like it's the same color. Like I said, I seen them in the pictures and in person. Oh my God. Shoo, man. Here we go. Look at this, man. Oh, that is so freaking clean. Hold on, I don't want to distract from this. Let's take the tape off. There we go. Man, I love that fade. Look at that. You have a nice chrome base on the lower half of it, even red fog lights. But then it just transitions back into a red. Oh man, that is nice. God, that Holly Deco with the wheels. Oh, dude, this is a beauty. Yep, and it looks like same Shop 164. And it's just on there with tack tape or tacky putty. Gosh, dude, these are so freaking clean. Definitely much better in person. Even in picture, they still looked beautiful, but nothing like seeing them in hand and up close. And there we go, guys. Look at those two for the collection. Gosh, man. Steve, thank you so much again for this trade. I cannot thank you enough, especially throwing in the extra and the mystery models. Super cool. Again, thank you so much. We have another package to go through, but I think I'm going to give you guys a little bit of time and we're going to jump right in. So go ahead and take a quick break and of course come back and let's get into box number 2. Alright guys, welcome back to part 2 in the same episode. I kept it all in one. But yeah, here we go with part 2 featuring Joe over at Automotive History through Diecast. If you guys haven't checked him out, I'll have all his stuff down in the description box. Be sure to go show my man some love and support. I can't wait to open this up, guys. We have one car in here that we've just recently got. So it's going to be an extra, which is perfectly fine. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. All right, here we go. Let's go ahead and open up box number 2 and see what we have. All right, we got a nice little note here. All right, Jason, you know I like to pick on you for liking Mustangs. I hope you know I'm joking. I know without the Mustang, there is no pony cars. That's definitely a fact. Since you started only collecting Mustang, it's been hard to find cars to send you. Thank you for your service and everything you do for the YouTube family. Automotive History through Diecast, Joe Harrison. Of course, thank you so much for the love and support. And yes, if it wasn't the Mustang, all this pony car, the pony wars, and all that would have never been. So the Mustang has always been a staple, and I'm still always going to be a huge fan of everything else outside of Mustang. But we got to show the love to the original pony car right here. So I never take offense to anything people say about Mustangs. And here we go, 2020 GT500. Which one is this? Let's see. I mean, either way, it's going to be a beauty for sure. And yes, we have another one. Oh man, this brings up the red edition collection to I think 5 now. But super stoked to have another one. You can never have too many Mustangs, especially when it comes down to a red edition or Walmart exclusive like Zamax. When it comes to that, yeah, it is extra, but of course, welcomed to the collection. So thank you so much for that one. And here we go. Here was one. Oh, actually, yeah, do I have that one? Oh, I don't. Oh, man. Let's see. Yep, it is not on here. Holy crap. So it is 2 that we don't have. And this is another M2 release right here. Oh, dude. The 1987 Fox body rocking the Boss 302 deco. Check that out, man. Oh, that is nice. I have not seen this one. I think I was just confusing it with the Cobra Jet, which was another 87, same blue almost. Actually, that one's a darker shade. This one's a light metallic with, of course, a different interior too. But dude, this is sick. Oh man, Now, he did send me pictures of it, and I was like, oh, dude, that's awesome. But for some reason, I thought I had one, but this is a color that I don't have or a release. Love the stripes on that one. And of course, you have the FR500 style wheels, which are the same as Ruby. And that is awesome. This is a super clean release. But not only this one, guys, we have this piece right here. Oh, man, this is a beauty. The black and silver with the American flag. Yeah, this one's an 88 GT Custom. There we go, another one for the collection. Not another version of this one. This is the first one in the collection, but another M2 from the Freedom Machines, or Freedom Machine 88. Gosh, dude, I think this was an exclusive of some sort. I seen it on eBay and I almost picked it up. But then I ended up picking up something else. But yeah, this is a sweet one right here. You got a dark blue interior, factory wheel setup. But yeah, it's got Freedom Machine 88 right there on the lower door. I gotta look this one up, man. This is awesome, dude. And then, of course, you guys saw this one in the previous that I picked up in Cali. This one makes number 2 for the collection. The number 51 1990s, which is the 94 Mustang right here with the P51 deco. So there we go. Another Johnny Lightning, number 2 for the collection. I will open up one and keep one carded. The other one I ended up putting up here already, which, yeah, I did a lot of organizing and was able to fit everything I have that I picked up from Cali in the display. It was very hard. Like the Garbage Pail Kid one is up there. The only one I couldn't fit was the 118 pink slip. So there we go, number 2. And we have one more right here. He said it was a custom, and I can't wait because customs are freaking life when it comes to diecast, man. I don't remember which casting he did, but when it comes to Joe, man, I have no worries or concerns of what type of car he does. Because even if it was a Volkswagen Buggy, definitely gonna love it. So I'm trying to do this to where the car doesn't flip inside. Oh my god, dude. Dude, that is sick looking. Holy crap, man. You got the GTD in a burnt orange, which looks phenomenal. Oh man, can we open this up? Oh, you got it taped. Okay, hold on. 1 second, guys. This is hard to do one-handed. All right, here we go. Look at that beauty. Holy cow, that is nice. Oh, man. That is a gorgeous color, dude. The wheels on there, I mean, they are meaty. I love that look, man. Holy crap, you did an amazing job on this. Oh, dude. Yep, I'm definitely going to cover this. And there you go. Automotive history through diecast. My freaking dude. Knocked this one out of the park, man. That is super clean. Oh, man. That is nice. 3 beautiful customs in one episode. 265s. The latest beauty from Ford. The GTD Mustang right here. Ultimate track car. But perfect custom from Joe. And then, of course, we got the 2 M2 releases new for the collection and an extra Johnny Lightning, including an extra red edition. So huge thanks to both of you guys. So hopefully you enjoyed this one, guys. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below your thoughts on anything we showcased, whether it's the trade from me and Steve. And yes, this will also be a type of trade between Joe and I. Let me know what you need and I will get it to you. But huge thanks, man. Awesome work right here on the GTD. Thank you so much for taking the time to do a custom like that. I mean, that is top-notch stuff. And of course, the extras and the M2. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it enough to stick around long enough to hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, be sure to do so, along with the notification bell so you don't miss out on future episodes like this and many others coming in the future. So don't forget to comment down below. And of course, until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.